Yeah. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rashoda and this is RaShoda.makemeovah. So today we are doing IPSY's BoxyCharm box opening for November, and this is the big box. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing, and if you're not new here, then welcome back, and let's get into it. Welcome to the Glam Fam. So yeah, let me show y'all what we got. We have we got our November big box. Yeah, I couldn't wait to open it. We got our November big box. Yeah, let's get into it, y'all. All right, so first we're gonna open up our IPSY box, and in here is the BoxyCharm. This is the BoxyCharm box for November. It's getting us ready for Christmas. So y'all, go ahead and put whatever you need in your cart, because yeah, now the sample bag, the 5 samples, as y'all know, is $14.90. It's $14 per month. You can cancel at any time. And then the big box is $30 a month, and you can cancel at any time. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Ooh. And it tells you the trend alert and all the shimmers and all that going on. Just perfect for Christmas. All right, so y'all, we have the Bare Minerals Maximus mascara, and let me show you what it looks like. So here she is, and let's see what the wand is giving. So we have a big chunky one. So this will be good to give us a great coat on our lashes. Let's get into what else we have in the box. We have the Ren Clear Skincare, and it's Radiance PHA Exfoliating Facial. It's for non-stripping triple action exfoliation. So this is what it's looking like. So this is what it looks like. See what the cream, is it giving us beading? Is it giving us a cream? What are we looking like, sis? Y'all comment below, like, what is your favorite thing to receive in like a subscription box? Is it skincare, makeup? What's your favorite thing to receive? So it's like a, does it have a beading? It does have some type of beading in it, so this is what it is. And it smells like, it has like a orangey or citrus smell to it. Yeah. Next in the box, we have this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner. And this is the shade. It is shade Dusty Rose. Dusty Rose is the shade. And let's see what Dusty Rose is looking like. It's a pencil. Super duper chic, and it's giving us a rose tone. Very cute. Next we have the OPV Beauty London Joy. Is it Adigana? Oh my god, I don't know how to say it. This is Skin Gold Primer. Let's open her up. Ooh, okay, so we got her open. This is what she looks like, giving very, very classy. Let's see what this primer, it says gold primer. Let me see if it's gold, baby. Give me the gold. It's giving us gold for the money. Yes, let's see what this primer is giving. Ooh, okay, baby. I see you. I see you. It doesn't really have a smell. I wouldn't say. No, it doesn't really have a smell. And it's like, it feels like a serum. That's what it feels like. It has a serum feeling. All right, next. Okay, last in this box, we have the iconic London Lit and Luminous Baked Highlighter in Porde Radiance. Look how I said that. Porde. I guess I said it right, y'all. You probably have to ask Siri how to say these words. You know, don't go by what I'm saying. Okay, so rip me out the plastic. Let me see what you do. All right, the iconic London. It's so cute. I got my fingerprints all over it. Oh, baby, gold is in. Y'all know, like, Christmas colors, red, green, white, and gold. Baby, you cannot go wrong with those colors for Christmas too. Ooh, I wish I could put this on my face. Okay, let me put it on my back of my hand. Ooh, wait, I love it. And then what face I used to say? Yes, I love it, baby. Look at it. It's not really blinding. Like, let's put some more. So I wanted to say something. Say something to me, baby. It look good when you swash it. Let's see. Let's put a little build up on it. Okay, we're gonna have to build it up when we put it down. But it's really, overall though, it's really cute. What y'all think? It's giving me, I like it. It's cute, I like it. Okay, let's go to the next box. Okay, now we're about to dab into this IPSY bag. Let's get into it. Let's open her up. Ooh. Look at this. Ooh, look at this. They did not rip out the snake skin on you. I haven't had a bag like this, baby. I can wear this as my own little personal bag. I like this. This is pretty. Okay, this is the postcard that comes in it. Trend alert, starlight eyes, frigid flush, golden dew. So we giving like cute little dewy skin. Something really, really nice for the holidays, okay? And look at this, baby. Okay, y'all, so in this bag we got some juice commodity. Y'all know I had the original size. This is the sample size, y'all. Oh my god, this stuff smells so good. If you don't get this, if you don't get anything else, get this down. This perfume, this fragrance is so good. It says scent space expressive, and it's the juice commodity, y'all. Juice commodity. Oh Lord, this smells so good. Especially you get out the shower and put some on. I'm gonna give it to my oldest daughter because she really like how it smells. Y'all, the dog, Moosel even stop everything she doing just come smell me. Like, it smells so good. Okay, next we have this Wonder Ceramide Mochi water cream, and for better effects, it's mix your serum with this cream to give it like a hydrating look. So let's see if she has a smell. Let's open her up. It has a light sweet smell to it. Yes, let's see how it goes on. So it's like a moisturizer. It's very moisturizing. So yeah, just mix it with some serum and you'll be good to go. Look at God. Look what he put in here. Some serum. It's bounce boosting serum from First Aid. So mix this in with your Wonder moisturizer. And let's see how this would do. So it comes out like so. It comes out like a cream as well. Very light. Ooh, yes, it does look hydrating, doesn't it? My skin looks so refreshed. Oh my God, more Anastasia Beverly Hills come through. Yes, got us some lip gloss, y'all. Oh my God, it's been a while since I gotten some lip gloss in my bag. Oh, I know she's popping. Let's just see what it looks like on my hand. So I have so much product on my lip. This is Kiss on my lips, y'all. Kiss is your girl. She hooked your girl up. So it's really glossy. Next we have Lovecraft and Beauty gel eyeliner. So this is what she looks like. Give y'all up close and personal. This open. Oh my God, I needed me a good old black pencil. Yes, very nice gel pencil. That's what she looks like without the wrapper. Oh, here she go. All right, that is all for the glam bag. So let's get into the big box drum room. Let's play a game. What's in the big box? Right here is the big box. So these are the flyers featuring iconic Miss Lisa Vanderpump. She is featuring a lot of skincare fragrances that will be in this box. Eyeshadows and lippies. So let's see what we got, y'all. Okay, first we have the Amika Hydro Rush Intensive Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. I've had this before. I think I had the orange bottle. My daughter said it was blue, but I think it was orange. But this smells so good, y'all, and it makes your hair feels really soft. So I do recommend this product. It's really good. Okay, next we have Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. I don't know how to say that word either. Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser. So this is what that looks like. Okay, and then basically it's just a gel, you guys. So it's just a gel. So I'm not gonna put it on because it is a cleanser, and we're not cleaning our face right now. We just showing their products. Okay, next we have Laura Mercier, and this is Caviar Eyeliner Pencil. So let's see what it looks like. So this is what she is giving. It's Laura Mercier. And so this is what she looks like. So the color shade is dark plum. So yes, I see the deep dark plum. Next we have Speak Love. This is Moisture Matte Lipstick from LYS. And this is in shade Sincere. Oh my god, this is the cutest little thing. It has like a leather feel, and on the back it has like a rose gold. This is so stinking cute. And this is the shade of the lipstick. It's so pretty. That's what she looks like. Super cute. So next we have Dr. Babor Awakening Eye Cream. Okay, this is what she looks like. Give you a close-up. There you go. And then let's see what she is giving on the back of my hand. It does not have a fragrance, and it has a green or like a lime green tint. Very thick moisture. I like it. So next we have Kors, and that's Santorini Grape, and this is a clay mask for pore detox and clarifying. Let's see what this is. Okay, I have this already. So this is like a clay mask, and it goes on like a gray clay mask. One moment, let me open it. This is what the clay mask looks like. So it's got a green tint as well. But I think I already have this. I've had this before. And oh, look, y'all. It has the burst of the beads that came in. So it has the beading. I guess it has like charcoal beading. Cause see, look, it turns gray. Next we have Glow Recipe, and this is Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. It's for brightening and evening the skin tone. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. And this is what she comes out as. Oh, be careful with it. But it is toner. Oh, it smells so very nice and refreshing. I love it. And the last thing we have in the box is Tarte eyeshadow palette. This is Tartelette. Tartelette. So here's the Tartelette Juicy palette, and she is looking mighty juicy. Look at the colors, y'all. Just so vibrant and beautiful. Let's give her a swatch test. Yeah, it smells like chocolate. What? Okay, let's see. This. Ooh, maroon. Ooh, that one is Dream Chaser. This one is Orchid. I can't really see that. Let's see. Well, yes, you can. Okay, and then this one is Rose. This is Rose. This one is Paradise right here. This one is Paradise. Okay, this is Luscious right here. This one is Petal. I'm making a mess. That's Petal. And then, ooh, Shine. Shine is pretty. That's what Shine looks like. And then we got some washer right there. Very cute. And then we have Blossom. Let's go to the other hand. I'm running out of options. Let's roll this up. Blossom. We have Reflect. Ooh. Reflect. And then we have Happiness. Dusk. It's like a cute little brown. And then it's a deep brown. This is Euphoric. Euphoric. That's pretty. Ooh, that's rich. Very rich. All right, that is all for the Tartelette palette. What are you gonna add to your cart for the month of November? Let me know in the comments, y'all. Okay, Glam Fam, that's all for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. And catch that next video that YouTube is suggesting for you. I will see you guys later. Bye.